Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! I have my SIM ejector tool right here, my SIM card right here, and of course my phone right in front of me. First of all, we want to turn it off, at least turn the screen off, and we want to locate our SIM tray, which is located right here. Now we have to take our SIM ejector tool and do not insert it into this hole, because that is the wrong hole. You want to insert it into here. So as you can see, it's the hole that is like the part of the hatch. So now we want to just press it really hard in the other direction, which might be a little tricky to actually... Oh, I can't really grab it pretty well. Okay. And now you want to eject your SIM card tray, which looks like that. And now we want to take our SIM card and put it right into the SIM tray. You want to make sure that... Oh, let me bring back the focus. You want to make sure that the part, because the SIM card is not exactly rectangular, at least not fully, and you want to locate the part when like there's a little triangle that's cut off away from it, and you need to make sure that you're actually not inputting the card in the wrong direction, because then you can damage the SIM card tray, or even worse, the SIM card itself. Now whenever it's actually steady, so as you can see, we can even turn it upside down, it won't just it won't fall out. We want to input it just like that, press, and now our SIM card is inside our phone. And we can use our mobile data, we can use the hotspot, we can use basically any other SIM related feature right now. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.